update on this damage that we saw and we talked about in the previous video. I took some leaves and we looked at it in the microscope and we saw live and dead aphids. Okay, but that is not this damage. Aphids don't have this kind of damage. If they were the speckling, if they were all uniform and circular, that's a mite damage. Aphids does not have this damage. And that's not mites, because you see like a skin burn and non-uniform, and on the lowest leaves, not on the youngest leaf, which corresponds to a spray we made a couple of weeks ago with EpiShield. It's a great organic product. We sprayed, killed the aphids, most of them, because we saw today some live ones, which is normal. You can never get rid of all the aphids from one spray, so you have to do at least 2 or 3 times. Anyway, EpiShield did a great job, but looks like it did some burn. And talking to the company, they say, yes, you do see some leaf burn. These are sensitive plants growing in greenhouse, delicate plants in a greenhouse environment, not grown outside, so the leaves are not that tough. And that's cosmetic damage. And as you can see, all the youngest leaves are beautiful. So tolerate some cosmetic damage if the choice is between some leaf looking ugly or the plant completely dead from aphid damage. That's the story. We had aphids here.